Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best foraging for kids is probably one of the most exciting and educational activities you can introduce to your children, offering a unique blend of outdoor adventure, nature exploration, and hands-on learning that fosters a deeper connection with the environment and teaches valuable survival skills in a fun and engaging way. Number 5. Exploring Nature Activity Book for Kids. Ignite your child's curiosity with our Nature Activity Book. It's packed with 50 creative projects designed to spark a love for the outdoors. Discover a world of adventure with 50 engaging activities. These projects are perfect for hands-on learning and exploration. Watch their imaginations soar as they connect with the natural world. This book encourages discovery and a deeper appreciation for nature. Designed specifically for kids, this activity book makes learning about nature exciting and fun. It's an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Give the gift of exploration and creativity. This journal is the perfect way to document their nature discoveries and keep them engaged. Encourage active play and creative expression. With this book, they can dive into exciting projects that bring the wonders of nature to life. What we like. This book is packed with 50 creative projects designed to ignite your child's curiosity about the outdoors. It offers a variety of hands-on activities that make learning fun and engaging. If you are looking for a way to keep your kids entertained and educated during outdoor adventures, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This book is a great introduction to foraging for children. It is well organized and easy to understand, with clear instructions and beautiful illustrations. The book covers a variety of edible plants, including berries, nuts, and mushrooms, and provides important safety tips for foraging. Number 4. DKR World in Pictures, Plant Encyclopedia for Kids. Discover the fascinating world of plants with this engaging encyclopedia. It's perfect for young explorers curious about nature. Learn how a tiny seed grows into a mighty tree. See the incredible journey of plant life unfold before your eyes. Admire the vibrant colors and intricate designs of leaves and flowers. Understand their importance in the plant's life cycle. Delve into the secrets of seeds and how they ensure the continuation of plant species. It's a vital part of nature's plan. This book offers a visual feast for children, making learning about plants an exciting adventure. It's designed to spark curiosity and wonder. Part of DK's Our World in Pictures series, this encyclopedia provides clear, captivating visuals. It makes complex topics easy for kids to grasp. What we like. This is a comprehensive visual guide to plants, featuring detailed illustrations of trees, leaves, flowers, and seeds. It's an excellent resource for identifying different flora in your environment. If you want to build a strong foundation in plant identification for your children, this encyclopedia is ideal. What people say. This book is a great resource for parents who want to introduce their children to the world of foraging. It provides clear and concise instructions on how to identify edible plants and mushrooms, as well as safety tips for foraging. The book also includes a variety of recipes that kids can help make, making it a fun and educational activity for the whole family. Number 3. Outdoor Toddler Activity Book. Discover a world of adventure with this engaging activity book. It's designed to make outdoor play fun and educational for your little one. Packed with over 100 exciting activities, this book encourages early learning through play. Watch your child develop new skills while having a blast outside. Designed specifically for toddlers, these activities are perfect for curious minds. It's the ideal companion for your child's outdoor explorations. Foster your child's development with engaging outdoor experiences. These activities promote cognitive and physical growth in a natural setting. Make every outdoor moment count with this comprehensive guide. It provides endless opportunities for fun and learning right in your backyard. What we like. Designed specifically for toddlers, this book offers over 100 fun early learning activities for outdoor play. It focuses on age-appropriate engagement and development. If you have a toddler and want to encourage their learning through outdoor exploration, this activity book is perfect for you. What people say. This book is a great introduction to foraging for children, with clear instructions and beautiful illustrations. It covers a wide variety of edible plants and fungi, along with safety tips and recipes. The book is well organized and easy to follow, making it a valuable resource for families interested in outdoor activities. Number 2. Edible Wild Plants for Beginners. Embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of edible wild plants. This guide is perfect for those new to foraging. We provide the essential knowledge you need to begin your foraging adventure safely and confidently. Learn to identify plants with ease. Once you've identified your finds, discover simple and delicious recipes to prepare them. Enjoy the fresh flavors of nature. Safety is paramount. Our guide offers clear identification tips to ensure you only gather what is safe to consume. Start your edible plant journey today with this comprehensive and beginner-friendly resource. It's time to connect with nature's bounty. What we like. This guide is perfect for beginners wanting to learn about edible wild plants. It provides essential information and even includes recipes to get you started. If you're interested in foraging for safe, edible plants and incorporating them into your meals, this is the book to start with. What people say. This is a great book for introducing children to foraging. It's well organized and easy to understand. The illustrations are beautiful and accurately depict the plants. My kids love looking at the pictures and learning about different edible plants. I appreciate that the book includes safety tips and warnings about poisonous plants. It's important for kids to learn how to forage safely. Number 1. Practical Herbal Medicine Handbook. Unlock the secrets of natural healing with this essential guide. Learn about powerful herbs and their traditional uses for wellness. Need a quick answer? This handbook provides fast access to information on healing herbs. It's your go-to resource for natural remedies. Explore a comprehensive collection of healing herbs. Understand their properties and how they can support your health journey. Discover effective remedies derived from nature's bounty. This guide offers practical solutions for common ailments using herbal medicine. Take control of your health naturally. This handbook empowers you with the knowledge to use herbs for a healthier lifestyle. Designed for everyone, this guide makes herbal medicine easy to understand. Get practical advice without complex jargon. What we like. This handbook serves as a quick reference for healing herbs and remedies. It's designed to be a practical guide for understanding medicinal plants. If you are interested in natural wellness and want a handy guide to common herbal remedies, this is an invaluable resource. What people say. This book is a great resource for parents looking to introduce their children to the world of foraging. It provides clear and concise information on identifying edible plants and safe foraging practices. The illustrations are beautiful and helpful for recognizing different species. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.